Now let's zoom in on intermarket analysis further. Now this is a weekly chart. I'm using Big PX, which is a 60/40 fund. My data tracks this perfectly. So this gives us a better look at the last 10 years or so. So weekly chart, silver against a 60/40 here, silver against the stock market. Now this is important because this is 60% of this. And so what this is showing us in weekly terms, this is actually a 5-year high with respect to silver against the 60/40. So the weekly close, this is a bar chart, so you don't see the weekly closes. You'll have to trust my word. But this weekly close right here, that is a 5-year high for silver against the 60/40. And so again, we need to see this push up further, get to this point. Then you're testing this, not just a 10, it's an 11-year long base at this point. And who knows, maybe it tests it, consolidates, and then breaks out in 2026. Then you're looking at a 12-year long base at that point. So we're not there yet, but this gives us a better view because we're looking at 10 years rather than 100 years. You have to look at all time frames. Now, silver against the SIX market, again, this is 60% of silver against the 60/40. Look at where we are. We are on the cusp, or I should say silver is on the cusp of getting ready to break out of a 4-year long base against the S&P 500. So this is really significant here because if this baby breaks out like that, that's going to lead to this moving up to here and testing that resistance. So all these charts are important, but this gives us a picture of where we are with respect to silver against the 60/40. It's making progress, hasn't quite broken out yet, but this is the first domino to fall when you see silver against the stock market breaking out here like that. That's the first domino to fall. That's going to lead to this going up to here. And then later, probably at some point in 2026, we'll see this baby break out. And again, that's the fuel for silver breaking above 50 because you need capital to come out of other areas and into silver to make that move above 50.